Hello, this is Carmen Johnson for MDF Week 4 project. This project was not one of the best ones that I had done, but here we go. To show you how the project runs, here's my launch button icon, and I use site squared XML. You can see site squared. This is the data that it's pulling. Biz cards. You can see all the information on that. When I go to the web browser, it pulls up this information, www.sitesquared, web biz cards, print, kids, photog. It's just giving the information, the data that's on there. The same thing as the grablet.com. It's showing the information that it's pulling from there, from the XML. At first, I changed it from, let me show you. As you can see, I had it right here, the data XML. Well, I have it right here. When I put in the HTTP and the actual URL for the website, it actually would pull up the website, but I wasn't sure if I'm supposed to have it like this, the data part, or if the actual website should be pulling up. When I like using this one better, the Grablet. When I would actually use the URL for that, the website was already used to fit the screen for the simulator. But I wasn't sure, so from what I understood, you just went to see the raw data. So this is, for some reason, this is all that I could pull up on it. I prefer to use the actual website to pull up because to me it looked better, but we're not basing this project on looks. So as you can see, that's the information on that. When I actually did have the website up, I could actually use the stop button and the back button and everything, just to give you a really quick example of how I had it looking at first. Let me do this. Okay. Let's say for the Grablet. Okay. I'll be really quick with this. That way you'll understand what I'm talking about, since I wasn't too sure on how to run it and I couldn't turn in two projects. So go through this. Hopefully it'll work. For some reason, it seems like every time I try to show you something, it doesn't want to work. So hopefully this time it'll work. It's clean, and it's building. Okay, so you see this information, the XML, the data is showing up, and when it's reading the XML, I go to the web browser, and as you can see, the Grablet, it's showing. I can scroll it. I click on, let's say this one right here, the information shows. I can stop, and I can go back to the application, to the list. So I wasn't too sure how to do so, but I just wanted to show you that I do know how to do it both ways. This is the way that I was originally going to do it, but then I put it back to the other way. So that's it for now. As you can see, on the video I was kind of confused because on the view controller H, you have this information, but on the video I got kind of confused because all of this information seemed like it was on the view controller H, and I have it on the view controller M, so that kind of caused some issues with me too. So I just did it the best way I knew how. I did put in the information as I went along in the code. the setup for the load view typically from the nib. So that's pretty much it. What I could have done better, I definitely could have did better design and probably used some more coloring on the application, but I just tried to get the project completed without wasting too much time. So that's it for now, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.